Hello students, welcome back. This is class 5th maths and we are discussing unit number 3 last number. In this unit I have already discussed in my previous video about what is large number and what is Indian place value chart and how to put the digits of a number in Indian place value chart. Now today in this video we will learn how to write this large number. As I have given this example to write in the periods of Indian number system. So let us see how we will write it. So students, there are mainly two ways of writing the last digit. One is by putting commas. We will put the commas in between the different periods of the digits, or we can write the digit according to their periods in separate by putting the space in different periods. Let us see how. As this large number we had, so how we will put the commas in between according to its period. We will start from right side. Now one's period have 3 places, means 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, put comma after 3. So this is one's period. Then other period having 2 places, so put comma after 2 digit. Then other period also have only 2 places, so put comma after 2 digits. So and now you can see how this large number is written now, and it becomes easy for us to read. We can write this large number by putting space in numbers also, like this way. One's period separate, 1000 period separate, lakh period separate, crore period separate. So all the periods separately by putting the little bit space in between. So this is the way to write this large number according to Indian place value chart, Indian place value system. Now let's move ahead towards second number system, that is international number system or western system. In this, which place value we are using, students? Yes, international place value chart here we are using. In international number system we are using international place value chart. So let us see about this chart. International place value chart. In the international place value chart, all periods have 3 places. Now see the difference from Indian place value chart, that all the periods in this international number system, all the periods have 3 places, in each period having 3 places. Now see students, this is international place value chart given in your textbook. Here you can see this is one's period. This is divided into 3 places: ones place, tens place, 100 place. Then the next period is thousands period. This 1000 period is also divided into 3 places: 1000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. But in Indian number system we had only 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. But here in 1000 period it having 3 places, 100,000 also. One more place it have, 10,000, 100,000. So this is the difference in between these two, Indian and international. Now millions period. So in millions period, millions, 10 millions and 100 million, it also have 3 places. So you can see all the periods having 3 places, and what these periods are: ones period, thousands period and millions period. After 1000 period, which period in international system? Millions period. and all periods goes till 100, either 100,000 or 100 million or hundreds. Now let us take this large number which we have taken in Indian number system again. How we will write this number according to international number system, according to the international place value chart. So what the international place value chart is says that each periods have three places. So in one period 3 places are there. So first we will start, let underline the periods, underline the digits in different period. This is ones period, 3 digit 3 places, ones period. Then again the next period is 1000 period, here also 3 digit, this is 1000 period. Now these 3 numbers left which will go in million period. So here you can see we have divided the periods. Now in ones period 3 digits which are ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100. At 100 which digit is there? 9, tens, 3, ones, 0. Now in 1000 first place is 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000. So which 3 digits are in this period? At 1000, 2, 10,000, 5 and 100,000, 1. Now next is million period, in which million, 10 million, 100 million. Now let us see the digits which belongs to this period. This is million period. So at million 6 is given, 10 million 7 is given, and 100 million 1 is given. So you can see in all the periods we have arranged the digit. So how we will write this? By putting comma according to its period. We will start from right, 1, 2, 3, comma, ones period, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1000 period is 1, 2, 3, million period. So this is the way to write large number according to international number system. Or we can write like this way, 176, 152, 930 by putting space in between the digits of different period. How we will read it? It is 100 place, it is tens place, it is million place. Now you can see here it is given 176, 152, 930. So 100 million plus 70 million plus 6 million. Then plus 1,000, 100,000 plus 50,000 plus 2,000. Then plus 9,930. So how we will write it? 176 million. 176 million. This is, we start from left. So 176 million, then 152,000. 9,000 period you can see 152,000, then 930. So we will write this number as 176 million 152,930. So in my next video we will learn some more about this. Now for today you just practice about this international and Indian place value chart.